These are the main components to assemble the replay platform. The first step is to place this element in the platform. That is the base of the hand. We place the platform in this position, the base of the handbar in this other position. We take the longest, we take all the longest screws. These are the longest ones that are placed in the center of the base. The smallest are in this position, and after placing the screws we are going to proceed to put them in the base and the platform. It's very easy. Second step, we place the platform in this position and we put this card to hide this metal platform. The third step is to take this screw and to put it in the platform to fix the handlebar to the platform. We fix it with this special. The next step is to take the handlebar and to fix it to the support. First of all, we need to enlarge the handlebar and then we put it directly to the platform. We put it in a good direction, and when everything is completely right, we fix the handlebar. The platform is already built, is already mounted, and now we are going to the next step, that is to put the decorative tiles. So we are going to use all this material we have. The first step is to go to the P2 layers. P2 and take the P2 tile. You can see that here is P2, so check it before you can also check the pictures that you have in the mounting guidelines. We put the screws, 4 screws. We press the platform to pass the screw through. We take the B2 plate, take the